Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to unsubscribe from emails in Gmail in just few seconds. So to do this, you just need to go open your Gmail account and look for the email that you want to unsubscribe from. Open it, and as you can see near to the name of the person, there is a button called unsubscribe. You just need to click on it, and as you can see, it asks you, do you want to stop getting messages from Isabella Peralta, for example, in my case. And it will tell you that, like, if you want to unsubscribe, you just need to click on it. And as you can see, we unsubscribed from their mailing list. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video, and see you in the next one.